Breaking news. Big 5.8 earthquake in Romania felt as far as Bulgaria and Ukraine. An earthquake with a magnitude of 5.8 rattled central and eastern Romania early Sunday and was also felt in Ukraine, Moldova, Bulgaria. No significant damage was reported. The tremor, which lasted for several seconds, occurred at 3:38 a.m. Sunday in the eastern quake-prone region of Vrancea at a depth of 150 kilometers, 94 miles. Romania's National Earth Physics Institute said. The quake woke residents in the capital, Bucharest, and elsewhere. Bucharest ambulances service spokeswoman Alice Crusu said a dozen or so residents telephoned immediately after the quake, suffering from panic attacks. Electricity was temporarily downed in an area near the epicenter northwest of Bucharest. There were reports of pictures and plaster falling off walls in the capital. Seismologists said that no aftershocks are expected. A powerful 5.8 magnitude earthquake has been felt on Sunday morning across Romania. Nobody was injured by the tremor, which struck at 3:38 a.m. on Sunday. There was no significant damage reported. The epicenter of the earthquake was close to Târgu Secuiesc, Slanic, Moldova, and some other parts of the Syria. The intensity of the tremor was of 6 degrees on the Mercalli scale. The earthquake was felt as far away as Bulgaria, Republic of Moldova, and Ukraine. Romania was shaken in the last 200 years by several earthquakes. The strongest were the one in 1802 that had a magnitude of 7.9, the one in 1940 with a magnitude of 7.7, and the devastating earthquake from 1977 with a 7.4 magnitude that destroyed the entire Bucharest city center. Vrancea area is responsible for 90% of all the earthquake in Romania because it releases 90% of the seismic energy. The earthquake that struck Romania on Sunday morning was the strongest that hit Romania in the last 14 years. And in 1802, 7.8 magnitude devastated the Romanian city. In 1812, 6.5 magnitude. In 1829, 7.3 magnitude. In 1838, 7.5 magnitude. In 1908, 7.1 magnitude. 1940, 7.7 magnitude. In 1977, 7.4 magnitude. And in 1986, 7.1 magnitude, and 1990, on 30th and 31st May, two tremors with 6.9 and 6.4 magnitude hit Romania. 2004, 6 magnitude with no victims or damages.
Latest a 4.1 magnitude earthquake struck near Trinidad and Tobago on Sunday morning. This is the 7th earthquake to strike near TNT within the last week. Latest a 4.1 magnitude earthquake struck near Trinidad and Tobago on Sunday morning. This is the 7th earthquake to strike near TNT within the last week.